Hi, this is the Business Guy. So do you use no debt like Dave Ramsey teaches, or do you use lots of debt like Robert Kiyosaki teaches? Who's right? Well, what I found in my experience is after 2008, when the economy went to crap and things went downhill, real estate prices plummeted, stock market values crashed. Though I'm not a big fan of this, I can understand an argument for using debt in those times. That is when prices are low and you can snap up bargain investments galore. But what about now? The economy's booming, things are good, things are pretty stable. Is it time to use debt now? Well, here's what I find that happens. People who see their friends making money, they hear the stories of people making a ton of money in real estate, and that's when a lot of people want to jump in. But right now, depending on where you live, real estate prices are about as high as they've ever been. The stock market is as high as it's ever been. Even cryptocurrency, which I think is great for buying and selling, but I'm not a fan of it as an investment, especially Bitcoin is way up there toward its peak. Keep in mind, the market goes in cycles. It goes up, it goes down. Right now, we're on an up. What goes up must come what? Down? What do ants do all summer? They store up food for winter. My opinion, stock up as much cash as you can, pay off as much debt as you can, so that you'll be in a position of strength for the next market cycle. Subscribe for more. This is the Business Guy.